Ever found yourself sifting through countless documents or cycling through different apps to find that one piece of information you need? You're not alone. Knowledge scattered across various platforms becomes not only a challenge to manage, but a barrier to efficiency and collaboration. Enter Glide, an industry-leading no-code app builder that can enable anybody to create custom solutions to their business needs. With Glide, you can build a custom document repository from scratch in hours, or kickstart your journey with our knowledge management template and deploy a solution even faster. Glide's knowledge management template is more than a simple data repository. It's a robust solution designed to cater to the diverse internal documentation needs of growing businesses, ensuring that you always know where to go to find the information you need. And when we say this template is a robust solution, we're not exaggerating. Let's explore the features. Document repository. A centralized, organized, and easily navigable storage for all your documents, ensuring instant access to the documents you need, whenever you need them. Equipment information. Keep track of every piece of machinery and equipment, logging essential data, making it easier for your field teams to access equipment details at a glance. Multimedia access. A versatile storage that accommodates images, videos, audios, and docs, ensuring your team can access and share multiple media formats in seconds. Personal notes. Annotate your documents and media with important reminders, additional information, or contextual notes to keep your team in the loop. Employee directory. A consolidated database of employee information, organizational charts, and more, facilitating seamless communication and collaboration across your organization. Each feature of this template is designed to optimize your internal knowledge management process, or create one where none existed before. But here's the cherry on top. The knowledge management template is fully customizable. Tailor it to mirror your organizational needs, modify features, and even add new functionalities to make it completely custom. In a business setting, a unified, centralized, and easily accessible source of truth is essential to success. With Glide, you can create a knowledge hub that not only stores documents and information, but empowers your team to self-serve, creating a collaborative and efficient work environment. Ready to combine your organization's knowledge into a single source of truth? Start for free at glideapps.com and build custom software that fits your business needs. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos on how to build solutions faster.